my loves, I just wanted to swing in and say hello. It is currently 4:30 a.m. on Tuesday, February 11th. I could not sleep, so I decided to film this video. It was a request per one of my best friends, JoJo. She requested a pink soft glam look with like a flirty outfit, and I kind of went really intense with the pink. It just happened, okay? This is not soft glam, but here we are. It has a soft lip, so I think it works. Anyway, shout out to her for requesting this video. I hope that you guys have an awesome Valentine's Day. I love you guys so much.